Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore the WhatsApp backup on OPPO Reno 14S. Alright, so let's say that you have bought a new phone and you are afraid that you will lose all of your chats on the WhatsApp. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can easily restore them. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, you can check out our channel. There is a video and I'm showing step by step how to create that backup, so you will know how to do it. Also, before we open up our WhatsApp, we need to make sure that when we open up the settings and when we scroll to the downside, that in the Google, we are logged into the same Google account that we have selected when we are making a backup. It is really crucial because if you'll be logged into other Google account, there's a huge chance that you won't be able to restore the chats. So check it before opening the WhatsApp. And now let's restore our chats. So let's open up the WhatsApp. In here we can select our language, then click on agree and continue. Now in here, in this bar, we need to type our phone number. Then we'll have to click next, and we will also have to verify it. We have two methods. We have the SMS code or the missed call. You just need to pick the option that you want. And now let me quickly type the phone number and I'll see you once I have verified it. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, something like that should appear: contacts and media. Now click on continue, click on allow, allow, and allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see when the last backup was made. Below we can see its size and the account on which we made it. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I was showing you in the settings right in here. So everything is correct. Alright, and now we need to click on restore, and remember that if you don't do it now, there is a chance that you won't be able to restore the chats later. So we should do this right now. Click on restore. Now the process will start. In my case, it won't take long. Of course, everything depends how much messages you have. Okay, 10 messages restored. Now click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you want. Then click on next. Okay, and now as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, has been successfully restored. So everything went just like it should. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.